Today in this video, I will show you 3 methods that you can use to generate up to $300 per day using Midjourney. Method number 1, selling Midjourney prompts. Go on Google, then type prompt base, click on search, click here. And in this website, people are selling their Midjourney prompts and earning thousands of dollars. So this guy is selling this prompt for $4.99 and he has already sold 199 prompts. So if I do the math, 199 into 4.99, and you can see this person has generated more than $900 just by selling this simple AI prompt on this website. And we have multiple examples. For example, if I click on marketplace, then click on Midjourney, then click on most popular. Let's click here. So this person is selling this Midjourney prompt for only $199. So let's do the math. This person has already sold more than 1,800 prompts. So 1800 into 1.99, and this person has generated more than $3,000 just by selling this simple Midjourney prompt. So if you have your own unique style of prompts, then you can just simply sell them here and you can make easy money from it. Method number 2, sell AI art on Fiverr. So right now I'm on Fiverr, and recently Fiverr just added AI services, and inside AI services, Fiverr added a section called AI artist, and inside AI artist they added Midjourney artist. Just simply click on it, and here you can see people are actually selling their AI generated arts, and this guy over here is selling stunning concept art using Midjourney AI, and this is how much he is charging. His basic plan cost around 6,500 rupees. So if you convert it into dollar, it's $78. So if we do the math, then just imagine 36, because 34 orders he has done previously and 2 more in queue. So 36 into $78 equals 2,808. This is how much money he has generated by selling AI art on Fiverr. And here you can see all these people are selling their AI generated arts on Fiverr and making money from it. So what are you waiting for? Method number 3, teach about Midjourney. So right now we are in Udemy, and here you can see people are teaching about Midjourney and making money from it. So this person over here is selling his course on Midjourney, and total 3,830 people have already bought this course, and he is selling this course for 499 rupees, and if you convert it into dollar, so it is around like $6. So let's do the math. 3,830 people into $6, and this is how much money this person has generated by selling a course on Midjourney. $22,980. So if you can create a course on Midjourney, then do it and start making money from it. So guys, that was it for our today's video. I just showed you 3 legit ways to make money by using Midjourney. And if you want more AI related videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel, and please make sure to like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Peace out.